Snooky for a bit of a morning fish. A little bit late. Stay tuned, hopefully it's an action-packed morning. Our first look at the sea. Yeah, it looks a little bit choppy after yesterday's east that was blowing. Yeah, hopefully it settles down nicely. But yeah, looking good. Looking good. Doesn't look like there's much surf around. Always an added bonus. But yeah, I'm going to be launching at Umdloti North. Start, come down this ramp here off to the beach. It's easier to jump in at the right up against the rocks there, and then just paddle out and around the point. But yeah, looking good. Let's get the kayak off the roof and get going. Made out safely. Nice big gap in between. But yeah, conditions look quite nice. Some birds working backline over here a bit. Not too sure if there's some snoek with them, but yeah, stay tuned. Let's hope we can get something. Alright, got the rod setter, trusty fathoms, daisy chain. This side, another fathom, assassin, some crystal meth. Yeah, let's see if we can find the fish. Got the finder on. This one's broken, so temporary one in between the legs. But yeah, if we can find some fish that were a bit deeper, so I'm gonna go look a bit deeper like they were yesterday. Maybe we can find something. On with our first fish. Snooky. Unfortunately, no snook. We got a long tom, which is unfortunately wrapped itself up good in the daisy chain. Now this is a mess. Long time. Off he goes. False alarm, let's get back to it, reset and get back to it. Right, on again. We won't count this one too early. Let's hope it manifests into something. Just let that other line out. Doesn't look like there's too many problems with it. The one's going to push us over, so let's see what this is. Screened off quite nicely. Leave this one until we get an ID before we get ideas about a gaff this time. Got a little bit of weight to it. Hopefully it's a decent fish. Let's have a look what you're dealing with here. It's on the surface now. colour. Definitely some form of a mackerel. King or queen, I don't know yet. It's a nice deep colour. Let's keep it going. That's what it came out for. Nice snook. Sunday morning show we wanted, baby. How's this for a snook? Solid gaff shot. Gaff out. Get this gaff out the way. We got a snook, baby! Woohoo! That's what we came to Umdloti for. Nice big fat snook. This is going to get a couple more. Having an awesome morning so far. Hope we can get a couple more fish. Just gone on again. Saw now showing on the fish finder, and then all I did is put my twisty down to the bottom, a couple quick ones through the shoal and on. This feels like a nice kingy. Nice tackle. BG 3000 and 15-pound braid, 30-gram twisty, Trevella light. Seems like I've got this guy off the bottom. It's non-stop action today. What do we got? I hope he's not a scad. There we go. Got another crazy showing underneath. Let's do the same. This might be snook though. Okay, buddy, you're gonna get a tag. How's this for a showing? So if we can get another one on camera, would be even cooler. There he is, yellowspot kingy. We'll get a tag him. He's in by my fish well. He's got water over the gills, so it's going to be fun. Let's see, get another one. Oh, on, off, on. Woohoo! How fun is this? Oh shit! On. Let's drop it down a little bit more. Let's see if we can go through the shoal again. Shit. Oh, unfortunate on off there. But let's get a tag in and see if we can go over that shoal again. Quarry tagging kit. Awesome to have. Full advocate for tagging kingfish. Bearing tape is going to fit into one of the smaller tags. D tag. Get one out. Put it in. Just mark it quickly. Yellow spot kingfish. tape quickly. I found it's just the easiest to just put in the footwell when you're in the kayak. 49 centimeters. So the D tags are from 30 to 60 centimeters and A tags a bit bigger. So let's just do my tagging here. As you guys can see, remove the scale out the way, the tag in. There we go. Tag is in, applicator's out. Let's get this guy back. It's at 49 centimeters. Let's mark on our page quickly. Let's go find the shoal again. Fork length, 49 centimeters. Awesome stuff. Right. Let's get this guy back. Awesome stuff. Let's go find that shoal again and get some more. Alright, I was making a bit of a change with all of the kingfish and stuff around. I'm going to put a slow pitch on. These are the Major Craft jig paras. I really love them. Definitely by far my favorite inshore jigging. I'm going to go to a slightly heavier setup as well. Those bigger yellow spots can get very big and strong for light tackle. So yeah, let's bring this on. And then if we go that showing again, it's a bit heavier as well. It can drop down a bit quicker. And hopefully we can get something nice and big to show. Let's see what happens. Well, only on the jig, not entirely sure what it is. It's been a bit quiet so far, but yeah, quite a nice fish. Let's keep working it. Nice head shakes, not too far off now. Woohoo! See what it's about. Absolute heartbreak. Shit. That was a nice fish. But anyway, let's get back and see if we can find another one. That was a really nice fish. Took some really good line. Good long runs, good big head shakes. But yeah, guess we're gonna have to try again, eh? All we can do. After the bit of trauma from the last one, I decided just to play it safe and get the fish in. And yeah, got a nice threadfin mirror fish. Let's get a tag in again. Tagging kit out. Let's get a measurement. It's probably going to be a D tag again. Let's have a look. 58.5. So it's meant to get a D tag. I'm going to put an A tag in him. Threadfin mirror fish. Threadfin mirror fish. 58.5. Cool. Tag in. You guys can see nicely. But yeah, they don't really have scales, so I'm not going to remove the scale. I'm going to go in here by the body, in, through, tag's not going anywhere, and tag numbers here at the back, which they can read nicely. Let's get a quick photo. Bloody threadfin mirrorfish. Really pretty fish. Let's get this fish back. On again, something small this time, but nice to have some constant action. What have we got here? Probably a little rocky. Oh, lovely. Nice catfish rockcod. Let's get another tag. Little catfish rockcod, 42 centimeters. Another tag in. Goes. Let's go see if we can get some more fish. I seem to have found a bit of a spot with some fish on it. So let's try get a couple more. On again. Nice jigging session. Got hit on the way up on a fast jig. And then got a bit of weight to it now. But not fighting too wildly. Let's see what it is. Another rockcod or a mirrorfish. It's a nice thing about when you got to another species. There's found it. Nice little longfin kingfish. Let's get it back.